We are learning to use column subtraction to play close to zero. So this game is just the same as close to 100, except we're going to be going backwards. So you will use your same template as last time, but you'll see that it is now called close to zero, and you have to show your column subtraction here. And you will see that in your little column where you record your column subtraction, that there is already 100 for you to start with. So I've rolled my 2 dice and I've come up with a 2 and a 5, and I'm going to use my same strategy as before. I'm going to start with low amounts first. So I'm going to make my 2 and my 5 into 25. So I'm going to take 25 away from my 100. Now with my column subtraction, to do this, I start with the ones column, and it says for me to go 0, take away 5. Now I can't do that because if I've got 0 things, I can't take 5 away. So I'm going to have a look at my tens column and see if I can borrow something from the tens column. But the tens column is also a 0, so I can't use that. So I'm going to go back to my next column, my hundreds column, and see if I can borrow from there. So I can see that there's a 1 in the hundreds column. So I'm going to take that 100 and I'm going to spread it out across the tens and the ones column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross out that 100. I'm going to put 90 of it there, and I'm going to put 10 of it in the ones column. And so now my ones column is 10 take away 5. So I can work that one out. That's 5. Now my tens column is 9 take away 2, which is really 90 take away 20. So that equals 70. So I'm up to 75 now. And this time I roll a 3 and a 6. So I'm going to write the numbers that I roll in here, and I'm going to make that 36. So now I've got 75, I'm going to take 36 away from it. So I start by looking at my ones column, and it tells me to go 5, take away 6. I can't do that. If I've got 5 things, I can't take 6 away. So I have to go back, look at my next column, my tens column, and I'm going to borrow from that column. I'm going to take from that column. So I'm going to cross out that 70 and make it a 60. And then the 10 that I've taken from it, I'm going to put that there in the ones column. So now my question says 15 take away 6. And I know that the answer to that is 9. And my tens column now says 6 take away 3, 60 take away 30, which equals 30. So now I'm down to 39 and I've got 2 rolls to go. This time I've rolled a 1 and a 4. So I'm going to write those rolls in, a 1 and a 4, and I'm going to make that 14. So I go over to here, and now I'm taking away 14. So looking at my ones column first, 9 take away 4, that equals 5, and my tens column, 3 take away 1, 30 take away 10, that equals 20. So I'm now down to 25, and I've got my last roll to go. Wow, look at my last roll. I've rolled a 2 and a 5. So that's really convenient because I'm going to put that in here, and that makes, I'm going to make it 25. And I can take away that 25 from the 25 that I have already. So looking at my ones column first, 5 take away 5 is 0, and 2 take away 2, 20 take away 20 is 0. So I got to my target exactly of 0. So today you're going to play close to 0 using column subtraction to work out your totals as you go along. Good luck.